have founder of Genesis, founders of Genesis. Guys, like, please introduce yourself, what you are building, and about your backgrounds, how long you are into this Web3 space. Please, would love to hear from you guys. Yeah, who is gonna take lead? Vedang or Aditya?
Uh, uh, First, we'll start with the introduction. Komal, can you start with the introduction?
Hello, myself Komal Singh. Should I explain my project?
Yeah, sure. Just about to first of all, like who is handling which section? Or it's a team project, right? Hackathon project.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So before this project, do you have any prior experience into Web3? Have you built anything?
Yeah, we have done many of our projects, like the college small projects on Web3.
Okay, sounds good. Okay. So what you are guys building today? Like built recently?
Yeah, so our project, Trust Forge, is basically a trust first micro loan lending app where the user can ask for small loans and without collateral. So basically, the user starts with the small loan, they repays it on time, and then gains a good trust score. Also, secondly, we have the lenders where they can lend the loans, which is divided into different pool system. Also, all the transaction in our project is carried out through the token which we have created, that is TFX. Second, also we have a feature of vouching system where the trusted user can vouch new users so they can get some benefits in their trust score. Okay, and lastly, we have a DAO system where the user can control some of the parameters like the trust score or the interest part, but only if the community agrees on that part.
Okay,
So
sounds
this
good.
is the yeah, small description of our project.
Okay. Okay. Let's dive into the product and let's see how does it looks and how it works. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Sure.
So can I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay, fine, great. So this is the main homepage of our project. So first of all, you need to register yourself with a unique username, and our platform will give you the base trust score of 100. Now this account we have used for somewhat, so that's why its trust score is 150. So here we have a TFX reserve vault where we can buy a TFX token by giving the USDC. So suppose I want to buy one USDC, so we'll just receive 0.99 TFX token. Uh, so let's wait for some time for transaction to occur. Um, so currently I have 289 TFX tokens, and also I have USDC balance of 59.84. But after the transaction, my balance will be updated, and I'll have 290 TFX by, and the reduction of USDC 1. So that's how we'll gain the TFX token, and vice versa, it's almost the same. We can sell the TFX to buy the USDC. So this is the borrow section where we can borrow the loans. So here I have requested for 0.3 TFX, and if I want to repay something, we have to give some interest, and that interest will be added to the liquidity pool. And for the borrower part, we are checking. It is a risk based liquidity pool. Let me just show you. Like like the new user are will automatically will be allotted to the high risk liquidity pool, which means that lenders can invest their TFX tokens, but and gain high interest as compared to low risk and medium risk. And the borrowers, and for the borrower part, uh, we are checking the wallet history. uh, we are checking the wallet maturity level. So accordingly we are assigning a max borrow limit for a specific for every user. As you can see, we can see the wallet age of this wallet, which is 12.82 days. So accordingly we are managing the max borrow limit. So now if we repay the loan, that loan will be added to the credit history. uh, so some time, it will take some time.
Okay.
First, it will just access the liquidity pool, and then the repaying transaction occurs. So yeah, transaction is confirmed, and here in credit history, the transaction will be displayed, and this is the card where we can just request for the loans. And as for the lender part, uh, okay, as for the lender part, I have we can see how much TFX we have deposited and how much interest we have gained from that deposited TFX. So we can just claim the interest. So and also we have and also we can withdraw from any of the risk pool that we have deposited the TFX. And here is where we can just claim the interest. We also have the vouching system where we can vouch other user. So there's a criteria for vouching that the trust score which is displayed here, it has to be more than 500. So which means that a user is a trustable entity and he can vouch to other new users. So vouching means creating boosting the new wallets or new creators. So for example, I can just search for new users. So it this guy has the trust score of 200, so if I want to vouch for this user, let's if I vouch for this user, the trust score will increase, and accordingly his max borrow will also increase. Yeah, as you can see, the trust score of the user increased, and his borrowing limit will increase as per the criteria. And in my portfolio I can vouch only for around 5 users. So here I have already vouched for 4 users. I can see all their informations now. And for this you and for the user that have vouched, I can see the admirer who has vouched me. Okay, so now comes for the DAO. DAO is where all the changes can happen. This is specifically the owner of the platform. So we can create a proposal to increase the interest rates for the liquidity pools. Trust parameter, we can just change the trust parameters to increase decrease accordingly. And we can also check the borrowing limit to we can just change it. And if we want to emergency pause the protocol, we can just pause it. So as you can see, we had created the DAO for to upload the upload low risk pool interest rates to base rate of 2 and max rate of 700. So the voting will be based on the number of TFX token a user can have. So as you can see here, see here in all of the transaction, so the number of cumulative TFX token is calculated for each of the votes, and the majority wins, and we can just execute it on the chain. So yeah, that's how our project is.
Wow, so sounds interesting, and you have made it like, yeah, for the both lenders and borrowers. The dashboards are looks good. Okay, so in terms of the security and all, like what you are using, like any security
Okay,
layer.
so uh, we are using USDC because it's a stable coin, and we are converting that USDC to our TFX token that can be used in a platform. So earlier we were using Uniswap, where the cost of our TFX token was getting was converted according to the market value. It was dependent on both USDC and Ethereum. So yeah, that's what we were doing.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, guys. So where our like audience can find your product? Like, is it live or hello?
Yes, we are. Yes, you
Yeah,
are
can
audible.
you show like where they can find your product?
So we have deployed it on a Versal. Can someone have the link?
Okay.
Somebody have the link.
Can you guys put it in the chat, live chat? All right. Okay. 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 So, what's the roadmap for you guys? Like, what's next? Like, you have built it so far. How you are planning to scale it? Like, and target more users to acquire.
Yeah. So first of all, we'll for the starters, we'll just firstly remove the token part. So as if we deploy it on the mainnet, the token will just not initially has some value. So we'll just firstly remove the token part, and we'll just directly trade with the USDC.
Okay.
That will be the first part. And as our platform gains user, so after that we'll initialize the token. Then because having a more number of user, which will mean that our token can gain some value. So that's the plan for us for now.
Yeah, definitely. Like you have a pretty good of like utilities. Definitely, our audience can would love it, and it has the potentiality for the long term roadmap. Okay, guys, that's amazing to talk to you. Like, and the great product you have built so far. Wish you all the best for your
Yeah.
token launch in
Yeah.
upcoming days. Okay,
Yeah.
guys, see you.
Okay.